to the greenery.
The main reason I want to show you this example of a Colocasia is just to show you how large you can eventually get an individual specimen. This variety is called Blue Hawaii. We don't always carry this variety. It's fairly plain, green leaf with kind of blue ribs along there. But again, the main reason I just want to show you, this is 4 years old, and we'll just move some leaves away so you can just get to see how many shoots have sprouted out of one original plant. Just awesome. So in the corner of this water feature, it just makes an awesome display, the big elephant-like leaves. Now for us, it's pretty easy overwintering these. It's grown in a 12-inch net pot. So I simply just cut it back, bring it into the greenhouse, put it in a big saucer, and we keep it out of dormancy in our warm tropical house. So for you, the homeowner, you could bring them in that same regard, put them in a saucer, grow them indoors. If you've got a well-lit sort of solarium atmosphere, it would work. Or you'd have to, again, cut it back and bring it into the garage, let it dry out a bit more, and you kind of let the thing go dormant, and it would come out of its tuberous root system the following year. I haven't personally done that yet, so I'm not sure how successful that way of doing it is, but it's worth a shot because it's just awesome seeing this big display like this. This next plant behind me here is another variety of canna lily. This is black Tropicanna. In previous episodes I have mentioned the Australia, so they're very similar, but this variety has a broader leaf. I'm going to cut a stalk off here so you can see what I'm talking about. So this variety here, the leaf is quite a bit wider, so it does give a bit more presence that way. And the flower color on this one is similar as well to Australia. It is sort of an orangey red. This example I've cut off is actually quite orangey in relation to what I've seen in the hotter months in the summer. It's September right now. So in July, they were coming out a little more red than the Australia. So just a beautiful dark burgundy leaf with the reddish orange flower. This next variety of Colocasia here is called Maui Gold, similar to another variety we do called Elena, other than that the chartreuse leaf has a glossy finish to it, not a flat finish like the Elena. So just a little bit of a variation on that. This example here is actually in a mixed shade planter. So again, I've mentioned it before, but they can be used in your water feature or in centerpieces of shade planters. So just a nice variety. This next variety of Colocasia is called Thailand Giant. And holy cow, look at the size of the leaves. Have to be a little more patient with this one. This is 2 years old. We did have it in this garden last year, and it was just starting to get rooted in. We took it out, overwintered it in the greenhouse, put it back in the bed here, and this year it just started coming out with these huge leaves. Just can't believe it. This one just opened actually 2 days ago, and it's already that big. So it's just sort of opened up, and hopefully, it is around second week of September right now, so hopefully we don't have an early frost, but I'm curious to see how large this one will still get before the early frost or the first frost hits. But just look at that. Oops. Huge. Now, one thing I do want to mention, we don't carry all the different varieties of Colocasias every season. I just couldn't carry that many. It would just be taking up too much space. So if you are in one season and you're interested in a variety that we're not carrying, just mention it to us, and I'll look in to get it in the next year. If there's enough interest in that variety, then no problem. We can do that. So, you know, if you're ever skinny dipping in the hot tub and someone comes over unexpectedly, make sure you got this planted close by. You can always just cover yourself up. One size fits all. Oh, sure, just something like that would work.